what? It's me, Mother from the Venezuela. I told you it's dark, but right now you can see that I'm not doing anything, but it's dark. You can see. And today I'm roasting chocolate. You chocolate sauce, and I hate him. He doing pineapple apple pie. Yeah, sucks. You totally sucks. And what you do, chocolate? You are dumb. And you see this pineapple apple pie. I will delete this. Yeah. And I'm like, you were exploding. I'm like hooming around. And you know what's this? I hope you see it. Go here. No, start everywhere. Why? That's all about you. Have the wipes. I need to eat it. This thing's Chad Walkley is the most tell you this sucks on him, and all of this sucks. This video sucks, and Chad Walkley sucks, and you see the nightmare. Haha. I'm just kidding. Chad Walkley, I love him too. With me. I watched their videos roasting 21 of them. Watch that and kick butt!